How to unsend invite messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unsend invite messages on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign into the particular account. Now tap on the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen in order to access your message section. Here you have to simply open the particular chat where you will find the invite message on Instagram. As you can see on this profile, at bottom of the screen you will see invite message on Instagram. So simply in order to unsend, when you tap on it, you don't find any option to unsend this invite message on Instagram. So in order to unsend, simply open your web browser on your device and there you need to open the web version of Instagram. Now again head to the chat section by tapping on the messenger icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you have to open the particular chat and there you will get the option to unsend invite message on Instagram. But if you don't get that option, you have to wait until there is the latest updates from Instagram to unsend invite message on Instagram. So subscribe to our channel for more updates on Instagram and fix this kind of errors. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.